Have you ever wondered how artists draw curly hair like this or this? In this tutorial, we will be learning how to draw curly hair like this. So the first thing you need are your art materials. These are what I use. My makeup brush, my pencils, erasers, and so on. The simple secret I use in drawing curly hair is to know where is dark and where I will make light. Like I should mark where is dark, like I should sketch out where is dark first. So that when I'm blending, I will know how to blend to from the dark to the light. That's why I always mark where is dark with my charcoal pencil since we are going for the hair. Since the hair, the reference photo is dark, we go for a darker pencil, which is a charcoal pencil. I'll mark where it's dark. This part of this video I've already started, so I will still show you how I did something like this. So I use my charcoal pencil to mark where it's dark, where it has more shadows, like where it have more strands, like more dark hairs. That's where I use the charcoal pencil for. So that later when I'm blending, I will just blend from that dark place to that white place. Why most times when I want to mark those places that is dark, I will just make use of C, like doing as if you are drawing C, making sure your curved lines look like C. You understand? So that's how I do it. This is an example of drawing curved lines like C. You understand? You apply pressure at the starting and free your hand at the ending. The way our teachers mark our notes, they apply pressure with force, like to draw a good line. You understand? And to mark our note, you just use force at the starting and release the hand at the edge. That's the same way I draw these curve lines. But this one is not in their it's not in that format that they use in marking. You understand what I'm trying to say? I'm just trying to curve it, something like C in nature, something that is curving, like it's curving in nature. Now back to the drawing. Let's apply what we learned there on the drawing by making use of curved lines. Curved lines, applying pressure at the edge, releasing your hands, the pressure at the end. So we just follow that same method in creating those dark parts of the hair, those dark strands of the hair. So just take it step by step. Don't always hurry whenever you are drawing hair. Now it's time to blend with our makeup brush. Basically just to blend from the dark to the light part. Where you know it's dark, you just use your makeup brush to smudge the drawing to the other side of the drawing, which is light, to make it look realistic. That's just it. To blend with your makeup brush. Then you repeat the same process and follow the guidelines from your reference photo on your drawing. Then you get a realistic hair. Now we are done with blending the hair. It's time to add our highlights. You can use your monozero eraser or this biro eraser. You can use any form of eraser, but this is the eraser I have. Mostly it is advisable to use your monozero eraser because it can create lighter details. Like it can go, the details can, it can create little details, more realistic details. This pen eraser can also create the same details, but the monozero will go like it it creates more, it creates more details than this. This is for a wider portion, monozero is for a smaller portion. As you can see, I'm creating highlights for those parts. Like I'm looking from the reference, I'm highlighting those parts that look white, like that does not have strands of hair, that does not have thick strands of hair. So I'm using this eraser to create highlights there. You understand? To make it realistic, to make it more coily. You understand? So we cannot just leave it like that. We need to add some highlights to it. Same way you add highlights to the face, like you add some highlight to the cheeks. Where is light, you add highlight. Then as you can see, I'm blending with my makeup brush. So the highlight will not just be shiny, like this thing should not be more pronounced. You need that makeup brush to blend everything. Not all, you just blend the parts you know does not need that enough highlight. So you just use your makeup brush to blend it. Then you might, I will still create more highlight to it, but I will not redo it the same way I did it before. I will just add highlight to some specific place where need, like the places that needs the highlights the most. That's what I did here. So I will just highlight those places that need more highlights and leave the others like that because I've already put highlight there. So to make it more realistic. Now it's time to go over to the right side. If you notice, I started drawing the hair from the left side because I'm right-handed, so that my work will not be rough. I started from the left hand side. So I'm now going back. I'm now going to the right hand side now to finish the hair. So the same process I did, I darkened, like I shaded where was dark and left where was white so that I can blend, I can smudge the charcoal to where it's light to make it realistic. The same process, just follow the same process and you Follow the same process and look from a reference photo, and you will get a realistic coily hair. Now we are done with the shading. Time to blend with our makeup brush. Just blend from the dark to the light place to make it look realistic. You can blend. So when we are done blending, we'll have to add the the last but not the least step, the highlight. We'll add the highlight with our eraser, our mono zero eraser. To those parts, you know that it's that those parts that does not have dark strands of hair, you just use your eraser to try and create a realistic white hairline there. You understand? Just try to just use your eraser to do something there. That's all for today. Hope you understand these easy steps on how to draw a coily hair. To round up everything, you just have to know where it's dark and where it's light from your reference photo. So you can drop a like, a comment, or share or subscribe to this channel so that I might be able to create another YouTube tutorial for you all. Thank you so much for watching.